Example, in figure, DA is perpendicular to AB, CB is perpendicular to AB, and AC is equal to BD. Number 1. State the three pairs of equal parts in a triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Second one, is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD? Give reasons. Solution. In triangles ABC and triangle BAD, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD is equal to 90 degree, because CB is perpendicular to AB and DA is perpendicular to AB. Hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC is equal to hypotenuse BD of triangle BAD are equal. And AB is equal to BA. Common side. Here what is the reason? Given. Therefore, we can say yes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. According to which condition? RHS congruence condition or rule or criteria. Next example. In figure, measures of some parts of two triangles are given. Number 1. State three pairs of equal parts in triangles ABD and BAC. Second one. Each triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Give reasons. Third one. Is AD is equal to BC. Give reasons. Solution. Number 1. In triangles ABD and BAC, angle ADB is equal to angle BCA. ADB is equal to BCA is equal to 90 degree. Given. AB What is AB? AB is the hypotenuse, is equal to BA. What reason we supposed to write? Common side. And side BD of triangle ABD is equal to side AC of triangle BAC is equal to 2 centimeter, that is given. So triangles are congruent. Therefore we can say yes, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. By which congruence condition? By RHS congruence condition or criteria. And what about third one? Third one. Yes, AD is equal to BC by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Next example. In figure, measures of some parts of two triangles are given. Number 1. State three pairs of equal parts in triangles PQS and PRS. Second one. Each triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PRS. Give reasons. Third one. Is angle Q is equal to angle R. Give reasons. Solution. Number 1. In triangles PQS and PRS, PQS and PRS, angle PSQ is equal to angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. Given hypotenuse PQ of right triangle PSQ is equal to hypotenuse PR of right triangle PSR is equal to 3 centimeter. That is also given. And you are supposed to search third part, that is PS is equal to PS. How? Common side. Therefore, triangle PQS is congruent to triangle PRS by RHS congruence rule. Third one, yes, angle Q is equal to angle R. What is the reason? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Next example. In figure, PD and CE are altitudes of triangle ABC such that BD is equal to C. Altitude means they are perpendicular. BD is perpendicular to AC and C is perpendicular to AB. Number 1. State the three pairs of equal parts in a triangle CBD and BCE. Second one. Each triangle CBD is congruent to BCE. Why or why not? Third one. Is angle DCB is equal to angle EBC. Why or why not? Solution. Number 1. In triangles CBD and BCE, CBD and BCE, angle BDC is equal to angle CEB is equal to 90 degree, because BD and CE are altitudes hypotenuse BC is equal to CB. BC is equal to CB. Why? Common side. And BD is equal to C. Given therefore triangle CBD is congruent to triangle BC. For which condition? RHS congruence condition or third one, yes, angle DCB, angle DCB is equal to angle EBC. What is the reason? corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Next question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC and AD is one of its altitudes. Number 1. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ADB and ADC. Second one. Each triangle ADB is congruent to ADC. Why or why not? Third one is angle B is equal to angle C. Why or why not? Fourth one is BD is equal to CD. Why or why not? Solution. Number 1. Again and again I have told you, by seeing the figure, don't try to decide your outcomes, because whatever the condition they have given, on the basis of that you should think. In triangles ADB and ADC, ADB and ADC, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, because AD is the altitude. Hypotenuse AB is equal to hypotenuse AC of second triangle. That is given, and AD is equal to AD, Y, common side, therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Yes, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS congruence criterion. Third one. Yes, angle B is equal to angle C. CPCT. Fourth one. BD. Yes, BD is equal to CD. Again, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 cm and a diagonal is 41 cm. Solution. Let AB is equal to 40 centimeter and AC is equal to 41 centimeter with the length of side and diagonal of a rectangle ABCD. In right angled triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This implies 41 centimeter whole square is equal to 40 centimeter whole square plus BC square. This implies 1681 square centimeter minus square of 40 centimeter 1600 square centimeter is equal to BC square. Implies BC square is equal to 81 square centimeter, implies BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into length, that is 40 centimeter, plus breadth 9 centimeter is equal to 2 into 49 centimeter is equal to 98 centimeter. Eighth one. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Let AC is equal to 16 centimeter and BD is equal to 30 centimeter be the diagonals of a rhombus ABCD. Since diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles, therefore OA is equal to half of AC, that is 8 centimeter, and OD is equal to half of BD, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, in right triangle AOD, AD square is equal to OA square plus OD square is equal to square of 8 centimeter plus square of 15 centimeter is equal to 64 square centimeter is equal to 225 square centimeter is equal to 289 square centimeter. This implies AD is equal to This 289 is nothing but as 17 centimeter into 17 centimeter. Therefore, AD is equal to 17 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 17 centimeter is equal to 68 centimeter. Example: which is the longest side in the triangle PQR, right angle at P? Solution: hypotenuse QR is the longest side. Next example. In figure, QP is parallel to RT. Find the values of X and Y. Solution: X is equal to 70 degree because QP is parallel to RT. Why? They are alternate interior angles. And X plus Y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. X plus Y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies 70 degree plus Y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree, implies Y is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, implies Y is equal to 80 degree. Next example. If one angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio 1:2, find the angles. Solution: let the other two angles be X and 2x. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, implies 3x plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, implies 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. This implies x is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 80 degree. So measures of other two angles are 40 degree and 80 degree.